Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Insane Worlds. 5. A black hole. In space, nobody can hear you scream, right? Well, not exactly. It is true that sounds need a medium to travel, such as air or water, but space is a vacuum and does not have these, so it should be dead silent. But in 2022, NASA proved that it is not entirely accurate. Space is not a complete vacuum chamber, so it is not completely silent. Galaxy clusters contain gases that the sound emanating from a black hole. They had to amplify it many times since the sound was at a pitch some 57 octaves below middle C, far too low to be heard by human ears. If having to scale the note of 57 times to be able to listen to it sounds like a lot, consider that in frequency terms it had to be scaled up about 288 quadrillion times higher than the original, and a quadrillion has 15 zeros. Number 4. Deep sea species. As well as sea levels rising, oceans are also getting warmer. Scientists worry this could lead to irreversible changes to underwater ecosystems and the extinction of some species. In response to this, an international team of marine biologists began a project called GLOOPS, or the Global Library of Underwater Biological Sounds. For the project, they record the surprisingly vast breadth of sounds heard deep on the seabed in the hope that the recordings can be used to identify and learn about species. Dolphins and whales are far more the only creatures that make noises in the ocean. Among many other sounds, scientists have even heard sea urchins scraping and eating the algae off of coral reefs. Many of the other sounds captured have yet to be linked to the species making them. The researchers hope algorithms will assist them in matching the sound and species. Number 3. Earth's magnetic field. In 2022, scientists at the Technical University of Denmark, or DTU, managed to convert magnetic signals measured by the European Space Agency's, or ESA, swarm satellite into sound. The satellite, launched in 2013, captured the crate-like sounds while measuring the Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet's inhabitants from cosmic radiation. The data from the magnetic signals was used to create a sonic representation of the Earth's core magnetic field. In this case, the sound was not captured directly, but molded using the characteristics of the data gathered by the satellites. The resulting audio represents the magnetic field generated by Earth's core in interaction with a solar storm. It is hoped this research can help scientists understand the weather in space, in addition to increasing knowledge of Earth's magnetic field. Number 2. An atom. Interactions between atoms and light have been well researched in certain branches of physics. Less well understood is the interaction of sound waves with atoms, but in 2014, scientists successfully used sound for the first time to talk to an atom, albeit an artificial one. However, an artificial atom, like a regular atom, can be charged using energy which it then emits in the form of a particle. The resulting particle is usually a light particle. However, researchers at Chalmers University in Sweden produced an atom that could be charged with and emit energy in the form of sound. One of the researchers explained how this sound is the weakest that can be detected. They hope their research will inspire new insights into quantum phenomena because sound travels much slower than light, so scientists will potentially have more time to control and observe quantum particles. Number 1. The Sun. A lot happens inside the sun. Eruptions, waves bouncing around, solar flares, and more. But human eyes are not sensitive enough to see them. And even with the visual technology scientists have, they still cannot see what is happening inside. Instead, they use vibrations produced by the sun's waves and eruptions and sonify them in order to learn more about the center of our solar system. This research has been led by the European Space Agency and NASA, who have been capturing vibrations produced by the sun's movements for over 20 years. The vibration data is cleaned up to remove, among other things, the sounds of spacecraft, hopefully man-made. The frequency is then ramped up by a factor of 42,000 to make it audible to the human ear. You can actually listen to the slightly eerie pulsating hum of our closest star on the NASA website. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.